This is going to be Principles of Technology and Engineering, which is our kind of an intro class. We teach a variety of skills like Arduino, electrical engineering, a little bit of circuits with that. And then we go on to a CAD portion of it. So they learn that piece and then do some 3D printing with that. Our last piece is the woodworking, pull down and cut. We do have some updated things like with the saw stop, some safety technology that's relatively new. I think it's the hands-on piece, being able to make stuff with their hands and design things. We have brand new 3D printers. We try to look at kind of industry standards, like what's out there. What do we see at conferences and things like that?
I would say it feels pretty good, personally speaking, when you're able to design something and it actually comes to life and you're able to use it how you intended to.
Whether it's a simple square all the way up to complicated characters, anything you like you can print on 3D.
They feel like they've had a leg up versus other kids at that post-secondary level.
I'm someone who wants to go into engineering and go into school of mines next year, and this gives me a really big advantage over the people that haven't done anything like this.